the frontline fighters against COVID, and they're there fighting for us. And to see them being attacked by people is something very, very unfortunate.
Hello, everyone. As you all know, the world is fighting an unprecedented evil right now, that is the COVID 19 pandemic. Uh, and leading this fight in India is the state of Sikkim, one of the brightest ray of light in this fight. Sikkim has shown literally zero number of coronavirus positive cases till now, and today we have got someone very special to talk about this fight. He's a living legend. He is a politician from Sikkim. He's Indian football's legend, Mr. Bhaichung Bhutia. Welcome, sir. Please shed some light on this fight that Sikkim is leading.
Today, Sikkim does not have a single coronavirus positive, and this goes down to various factors. One, obviously, being a right and timely decision by government of Sikkim. Second, I think people of Sikkim has always been clean. They've always lived hygienic, and if you've been to Sikkim and you go around, you'll always see it's a very beautiful state. But the places are very, very clean, kept very clean by the people. Third is obviously people of Sikkim does follow law and order very religiously. And other factors, obviously, the geographical location of Sikkim. Till today, our airports are not. We have an airport which is not functioning. We don't have railway connection, and there's only two highway entry to get into Sikkim. So it becomes much easier to control and keep people from crossing the border intact. It becomes very, very easy. So a few factors, but overall, I think so far it's been great for Sikkim that way.
Sir, despite considerably lower number of positive cases coming from the northeastern states of India, there have been a rise in number of racism incidents and racism related violence against people from the northeastern states. What do you have to say about it? In fact, you yourself have filed one FIR in such racism case. So what do you have to say about it?
Yes, I think there have been few cases about racism against the Northeast in different states. I think that is basically, I think awareness which has not been there, and a lot of people I think is basically because they're illiterate and awareness has not been around. So it's the main cause. But I'm sure these people, if there's any racism against any people, anywhere, the action has to be taken against those people.
So, apart from the cases of racism, there have been n number of cases of attacks, violent attacks on healthcare workers as well, attacks on doctors. We have seen very disturbing videos as well on social media platforms. What do you have to say about these attacks on the healthcare workers?
I think the most shocking news has been attack on the healthcare workers, because these guys have been the frontline fighters against COVID, and they're there fighting for us. And to see them being attacked by people is something very, very unfortunate. And I hope again, as I said, there should be strict action against this, because if you can't protect our healthcare people, then the chances of fighting coronavirus is going to be very, very difficult.
So, towards the end, I'd like to ask you if there's one thing that you would like to appeal to the nation right now, what that appeal would be.
My appeal to people is very, very simple. I think please follow the government guidelines. Please make sure you and your family and the community is safe. And whatever the guidelines has been given in by the government of India, or the state government, please do follow it.